Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a FunnelXpress review. This is a new system out by David Dekel. You might have seen it around and wondered what it's all about. I'm going to give you a walkthrough here in just a minute. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do product reviews like this just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the FunnelXpress review. I'm going to give you a walkthrough here in the back office. So once you sign up, the system itself is free, but if you want to earn with it, you're going to have some sort of investment here. And there's 6 different income streams here. I did a video not too long ago where I compared FunnelXpress with FunnelXROI, so I'll leave a link in the description below the video to this video. But basically this is 6 different income streams and this is 5, but there is a difference in what is contained within the products. So the first thing is you're going to set these all your income streams up. It's optional, if you want to do all of them. I did all of them, but again, you can't earn unless you have some sort of investment in one of the income streams. Now, the first one is super affiliate. You get 100% commissions on this. It is the leaderboard affiliate, and I have all the products in here. There's different price points in here, of course, and you earn whichever one that you purchase. You earn 100% commissions. Let me just show you. This is a brand new product out, leaderboard affiliate, but in each one of these product levels you're going to learn from top affiliates as far as their story, their traffic sources, how they promote, and what their daily routine is, which is super important because a lot of people don't understand what they're supposed to do each and every day. So there's 6 different products in here. And I'm going to show you what the prices are here. So the promoter, which is Kelly Bolton and Jonathan Rice, these are just one-time fees. That's $27. The team builder with Daniel Kump is $97. Guru with Ontarian Hawkins is $247. And I'll tell you, sometimes you might learn like one thing that they do that's going to make you a lot of money. When I went through Ontarians, one thing that I learned was he started putting his phone number in his YouTube videos, and I started doing that, and I started making a lot more sales that way because people were texting me, and that's just something great that I learned from Ontarian, besides a lot of other things. Superstar is with 2 of my great mentors, which is Paula Barroso and Joshua Elder. And that is $497. And I'm not going to go into what each one of these contains because I did another video just on this product. I'll leave that in the description below this video where I go into more depth on what is contained in each one of these. But I'll tell you, it's very valuable information. Then you have the celebrity, which is with Michael Mansell, and that also with Nick Pratt. And that one is $997. And then you have Boss with Igor Kafitz. And that contains a lot more information in there, and that is $1,997. And when you purchase this product, for example, you get all the other products below it. So if you purchase this product here, you get all the ones below it, and you earn commissions on those as well. But I'll tell you, you can upgrade at any time, but you won't pay the difference. You'll pay that next price up. So you want to go ahead and get the one that you can afford, the highest product you can afford in that. So that's the first income stream. The second income stream is going to be the GetResponse autoresponder, so you can earn residual income through that. And David walks you through exactly how to set that up from start to finish and how to put in some follow-up emails that he has pre-written for you. Just copy and paste them. The third income stream is a tracker, and that is Roi Panel. They have different levels in here. The lowest is going to be $197. I'm already at the highest level here. You earn 50% commissions on this, and it is a lifetime, so you don't pay monthly like you do on ClickMagick. You'll have one fee that you pay, and that will give you access to however many clicks that you can get at that level. But generally, as you're starting out, I recommend the $249 one. The lowest is $197, and then there's a higher one at $749. That's the one that I have because I earn commissions on all those different levels. So that's the third income stream. The fourth one is this one right here, Funnel Advance, and that's a pay-per-lead system. You can do it for free. There's certain criteria that the lead has to qualify for in order for you to earn the commission, which is going to be that they have to be in the United States, UK, Australia, or New Zealand, and they have to come through your referral link, of course. Valid email, they have to confirm their account and at least log in and submit their payment email. And it's going to be direct deposit now because they can't use PayPal anymore. So your minimum payout is going to be $30. So each lead that qualifies, you'll get paid $1 for. And this does not cost you anything. But if you want to earn on these other products in here, the Builder, Super Affiliate, and Leader, you will earn 50% commissions on those. The Leader is $197. The Super Affiliate is going to be $597. There's a lot of different products and bonuses that you get in here. And then the last one, Leader, there's a lot of different bonuses as well. That's $1,997, and again, you earn 50% commissions on those. So when somebody comes through and sets this up and they purchase any one of these and you own that product, you will earn the commission on that. So that's the fourth income stream. The fifth one is the advertising boost, where you can give away free vacations and a lot of other things in here as well, hotels, restaurant vouchers, as a bonus for someone signing up. So there are some of the locations, and the price for this is $49 a month. You earn, I believe it's 40% commissions on that when someone comes through. So you can do it monthly, or you can do per year, $297 a year, and I'm sorry, it's $997 a year for the top platinum. The middle one is $497, and then the silver is $297. So that's the advertising boost. And then the sixth one is Oru, which is your online bank, and that's a way that you can have people pay you member to member. You'll deposit your funds into Oru. It's a secure way of transferring funds from one person to another. And then you'll have your Oru Visa card, and that's how you transfer your money out, and you just use it like a regular Visa card. So I've used it before. It works very well. The cost for this is around $30 to get it initially set up. I think it's like $30.94, and then it's it's $5.95 a month that you have it, but it's a lot less expensive than using a merchant account because they don't take out any merchant fees or transaction fees. So, but the limit on that is $125 per day, which has not been increased to my knowledge. So that's the only drawback on that. But if you do the smaller purchases, you'll be able to use the Oru and also earn commissions on that from people signing up, and that's 25 cents actually a month for each person that signs up for that. But then you earn the $10 commission when someone signs up for it initially. So that's another income stream, and it's not that much expense there. And then you'll have, David will tell you exactly how to start promoting it. And then if you want to, you can get done for you traffic, which is going to be the co-op, where they do all the traffic for you. You just give them your link here, and you can see that there's a lot of testimonials in here using the traffic co-op that people have done well with. So those are the income streams. And I wanted to show you a bonus that I have for you if you want to get started with FunnelXpress. And this bonus is, I can't even tell you how much money I've made from Josh Elder's affiliate inner circle. So Josh Elder's bonuses, you're going to get his tube traffic selling system YouTube course. This is where I've learned everything that I've learned about YouTube. I've had some really great days, $1,000 days, $2,000 days on autopilot. One video that I made recently has made me thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars because I've learned how to use these strategies. You're also going to be able to use high converting affiliate offers in his assets, which when you do join at the $497 level or higher, you will get this bonus, but you can also use this bonus in your marketing. And that's what he allows you to do inside of it. You can see some of the testimonials. Here I am, Tanya. And then Paula Barroso, his main marketing strategy is paid media. And he shows you exactly how to use paid traffic, what his traffic sources are, and his email marketing strategies, which is what he uses to make. I mean, he's a 7-figure income earner, and I've been through his course here. It's super valuable. I say it's more than 497, but that's what he puts here. More testimonials than Fraser McDonald. I can't say enough good things about Fraser. He's a great guy, number one, but his strategies work. I mean, I've used his 7-figure free Facebook traffic and had some really, really great results. He shows you, this is different from any Facebook marketing that I've learned before, because I've had a lot of training on Facebook marketing, but this works. He has an RVL formula on how to post on your wall, what you should post, how to connect with other people in a different way, like a different way of finding people who are actually entrepreneurs and are interested in what you have to offer. And that's really all he's used in the last 7 years to make 7 figures. He travels the world. He is 28 years old. He's been to 55 different countries. It's hard to keep up with him if he's in Maldives. I think he's back in Singapore now. He travels with his fiance, and he has all these pictures where he's snorkeling, and that's his only strategy. And what I love about it too is he doesn't spend all day on the computer. He's out there enjoying life and showing other people how to do it. So this is super, super valuable. And how to duplicate, that's valuable, because you might have some people that you refer and it's like they're not having success. You can show them this. They can have success as well. And also how to automate it, because he's out there, he doesn't want to spend all day on the computer, which is what all of us want as well. So this is super valuable, like I said. Then you're going to have access to the FunnelXpress system, high converting email series. We have a private elevation mentoring group, sales funnels that you can use, and then he has live Saturday question and answer calls. So you can get on there with Josh, ask anything you want, and you're going to be able to get your questions answered, because that's valuable, as well as the Facebook group, so you're not out there on your own trying to figure these things out. Then the traffic rotator. This is something that you can get into Josh's personal traffic that he uses from YouTube, and that's been his traffic source, free as well as paid, where he's getting all kinds of incredible results. So in order to qualify, the total price of the bonuses is $5,677.97 a month, but you're not going to pay monthly. This is just going to be a bonus that you get. We qualify for the bonuses if you're at the superstar level or above, and then the celebrity level, you'll qualify for all the bonuses, including the traffic rotator. So the superstar level, you won't get the traffic rotator. The celebrity level, you'll get the traffic rotator. And then the boss level, you'll get 2 times the amount in the traffic rotator. That's the highest level, $1,900. I have that one. I'll tell you, it's worth every penny. And then extra bonuses for the boss members. You'll receive a 1-hour call from Josh, giving you a customized strategy to build your $10,000 per month in the next 3 to 6 months, promoting the leaderboard affiliate part-time. And so I'll show you how to access your bonuses. Once you purchase at the $497 level or above, I'll give you a link to how you access these bonuses. So I would say it's definitely worth the money to at least purchase at the $497 level or higher and get these bonuses, because like I said, it's allowed me to earn a lot of money. So I hope you guys found some value in this FunnelXpress review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions whatsoever, I have my contact information in the description below this video. Contact me. Also leave comments with any questions that you may have. Also, if you want to get started, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. So with that being said, this is Karen Mero signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.